Now this is 2004 level question. Here they have given this diagram is symmetrical, and even, okay, in the diagram the force 10 Newton they have, okay, given inside the framework. Now you have to keep the force like this. May tamai A, right? Now this is B, C, D and E. D and E. Right? So then we can find reactions at B and C just resolving forces, that because these two are equal. Make a symmetric ne, the symmetric nang, okay, mea R nang. Mea tut R, right? Okay, reactions at B and C. Make at R veno. For the system you can resolve forces upward, right? For the system when you resolve forces upward, that 10 minus 2R equals 0, R equal 5 Newton. May 5 Newton, and even this is 5 Newton. Right? Then may angle is 15, may angle is 15, and this is 60, and they have given this is 30. Adanatan mea 30 now, mea to 30 nisaven. Okay, now alternative. Now this is 60. So mea how do we know? 60, 15, 75. This is 15. Okay, may angle is 15 when mea to 15, and again this is 15. Now we can apply the bond notation, right? Again, okay. Ball notation hence show that the rod CE has a tension of magnitude. Determine the stress in each of the other rod, indicating whether it's a tension, no thrust. Hurry. A, B, right? Now this region is C, D, E, and F. We can take like this. Now you know that normally we are starting from external forces. BC downward 10. BC downward 10. BC downward 10. More than 10 now. BC downward 10. Now the next one, CA upward 5. See, CA upward 5. So CA upward 5 can be midpoint. CA upward 5. And then again AB upward 5. Now these are the external forces. Now the 5, 5. Okay, maybe right? CA, AB. Now we should start from a corner. Another. AD. Right now the AD makes an angle 15. Right? AD like this, angle 15, and DC make an angle 30. Isallama, right? Isallama pe lamai mehema karmu. Hari, mama isallama DC vandena. The DC makes an angle 30. 30 kilo mehema. Right? Mehema okay. Metherin 30. DC. And the next one, midpoint take, then AD. AD makes an angle 15. AD 15 තමයි 15 වලින් යනවා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙතනින් එන්නේ මෙහෙම. Okay. මේ විදිහට එන්නේ. එතකොට මේ තමයි 15 කියන්නේ මම 6 වලට ඩිවයිඩ් කරලා ගන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම එන්නේ. Right. මේ විදිහට එනවා. Okay. Anyhow, now this is 30. May angle like 30. May 15. Now the next, you know, even in this side, the same is coming. No, this is symmetric, right? I told you that once. If the framework is symmetric about a vertical line, the stress diagram is symmetric about a horizontal line. At a perpendicular connect to symmetric the product A knowledge now you can draw what's the other is. Menna mehemen no hari mewan right ඕකෝන දැන් හිතලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන් මෙතනින්ම එහෙම නැතිනම් කෙලින්ම මේ right මෙන්න මේ විදිහේ එක්කෙනෙක් නේද එන්න ඕන පුතාලා මේ length එක මෙතෙන්ට දාලා right okay මෙතනින් එනවා මෙහෙමයි like this okay මෙන්න මෙයා තමයි එන්නේ කවුද BF and FA BF and FA and the other one okay that's AD and DA. Sorry, CD and DA. Like this. Major. When we make 5. I will 5. And again, this is 5. Now, what's the next one? The next one, DE. I mean, DE makes an angle 30, right? DE makes an angle 30 here. DE here, DE in this direction, and EF here. EF now mehet, right? I'm going to make a 30. And again, this is 30. May I F, make a F. Now the last one, no, this is E, right? The last one, EA, make a E. DE and EF, like see. Make a DE and make a EF. The last one, EA. When EA, last time, right? EA. Maybe right. May I have stress diagram? Who got this correct? Very good. Then up it again, okay? Rod CE has a tension of magnitude. Rod CE, the CE will CE la mai kawuda me meani CE, right? Ama kelimma ganna me vidiyata rod stress tension no thrust. Metana hadamu rod stress tension no thrust. Rod CE මේ rod CE කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයා හරි. දැන් මෙයාගේ ස්ට්‍රෙස් එක බලන්න CE මෙයාගේ ස්ට්‍රෙස් එක ළමයි CE වල when you keep the finger at C that comes FA. දැන් අපි FA හොයන්න ඕන. FA. මේ බලන්න FA හොයන්න අපිට sin rule එක දාන්න වෙයි. Can you understand? FA හොයන්න sin rule එක දාන්න වෙනවා. ඇයි මේ බලන්න මේ දැන් මෙතනින් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ angle එක 60 හරි. මේ angle එක 60, right? And again now the FA over sin 60, now here you can say FA divided by sin 60 equal 5 divided by sin 5 over, see that I am applying the sin rule for ABF triangle in this stress diagram. Now my stress diagram. Okay, to obtain full mark, now you should write these things at 5, 5 like this. Now here when you are applying the sine rule, FA over sin 60 equal 5 divided by me angle ek kawuda putala, right? Meya kawuda wenni. Now you know that this is 15, no? That means this is 75. Meya 60. Edaru meya 75, meya 15 nang meya kawuda wennoda. Now sum of these two should be equal to this one. Now me kawuda 15. Menna me podi ekkena 15. Harida? Then 5 divided by sin 15. Now the sin 60 means root 3 over 2. When you take it in the other way, 5 root 3 over 2. AF equal 5 root 3 over 2 times cosec 15. Is that the answer they asked? Yes, no, right? Now the FA equal, see, 5 root 3A divided by 5 root 3 divided by 2 times cosec 15. 5 root 3 over 2 times cosec 15 newtons. Now we should find whether this is a thrust or tension. Now I will keep the finger at C, that is FA. FA letter order kodethiyenne. FA letter order upward, right? May pattern thiyenne. Ena methering meheta. This is a tension, right? Like this. Okay. Now in the same manner, now you know that since you know this one, it is possible to find this one, right? And the next you can find දැන් එතකොට ආයිමත් තමයි කොහොමද මේක ඉස්සරහ එතකොට දැන් මේගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා හොයාගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් රයිට් මෙයා හොයන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මෙතන බලන්න තව දේවල් දැන් මෙතන මෙන්න මේ පොඩි ඉක්වලටරල් ට්‍රයිඇන්ගල් මෙන්න මෙයා ඉක්වලටරල් ට්‍රයිඇන්ගල් එකක් ඕකේ yes මේ ලෙන්ත් එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන 15 and මෙයාතුත් 15 වෙනවා මොකද මේක අනිත් ඒවාත් possible to find, right? හදාගෙන යමු. මම සම්පූර්ණ chart එක අඳින්නේ නැහැ. මේ part එකක් ගත්තා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හදාගෙන යන්න මොන හරි difficulty එකක් තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න. මොකද්ද හදන්න ඕන කියලා? Yes. No, that doesn't mean that we have to find, right? මම කරන්න The next one that we found what's the stress in CE. Now again that මෙයාවත් ඔයමු. ඒතකොට මේ දෙන්න හොයාගත්ත එකනේ මේ දෙන්න හරි. Right? Okay, the next one that okay CA AC වල මෙහන්න. AC වල කවුද? AC when you keep the finger at C that comes BF. Right? That is BF. Now I'm trying to find what is BF is. मैं බලන්න BF හොයනවා. ළමයි BF. ආගන්න BF කියන්නේ මෙයා again we have to apply the sign rule. There another okay मैं බලන්න now we are trying to find what is BF is. අපි ආයම sign rule එක දානවා මම මේ පාට ඉරස් කරනවා. Right? ඔක දැක්කනේ. Now again I'm applying the sign rule for AFB triangle. That's BF divided by, now here you can say BF over sin 90 plus 15. මේ angle එක 90 plus 15. Sin 90 plus 15. BF over sin 90 plus 15 equal 5 over sin 15. 5 over sin 15. Can anyone of you tell sin 90 plus 15 is cos 15? When you take it that here BF equal 5 cot 15. Can you understand? 5 cot 15. Tan 15 is a less value, but cot is more. 1 over ni. There another. Okay. There 5 cot 15. Then you know BF 5 cot 15. 5 times cot 15. अब बालों में खाओ देखिए लो. See. BF letter order in this way. You know, method meter. This is a trust. Make a trust account. There another. Again, make a digin sign rule again the right? Step by step sign rule rolling and we have another two to find, right? You can this one, and this one, right? Already. Then only we can go for the next part. Anyone of you got the answer for AE? The stress of AE. AE and AD both same. Stress of AE.